I'm gonna cut all this out because Mike is watching me and judging me. Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. I just almost ruined Vlogmas because it is now 3 a.m. I'm supposed to post a video by 11. Instead of doing everything I was supposed to do today, I bought myself Pokemon Shield and I've been playing for the past 7 hours. It's literally 3 a.m. I'll show you. It is the first Pokemon other than Pokemon Go that I have ever played. I used to watch the show, I used to collect the cards, was never a gamer person, but then I saw that Galarian Ponyta though, and I need her. She has my hair and she's perfect. So I got myself addicted. I've been playing all day. I was supposed to film like 3 videos. Didn't do it. Supposed to have a video edited by 11. Hopefully that is this one. Haven't done it yet. So today's video was supposed to be a decorating video anyway. I have all of that filmed. I just didn't film an intro for it. So let's talk a little bit about this video, shall we? This is the first year that I have my own home. This is the first year that I have bought my own tree. This is the first year that we've gotten like decorations and been able to start cultivating a full-on holiday aesthetic. In the future I have like a lot of ideas of what I want to do. Like I want to make my house a full-on real life gingerbread house. Like I want to do like candy lights and like giant candy canes. I want it to look like there's frosting everywhere. I want my door to look like it was made of candy. Like I want to full on go there in the future. That's my like goal. But this year we decided to just go like holidays. We got like a snowflake theme going. We got some cute like pastel stockings. And so I'm just gonna show you some of the little things that I've done to decorate this year for the holidays. Hi friends, I look like a mess, but you know, you can't look put together every single day. But we bought our first ever Christmas tree and we're gonna put it up right now. So it's gonna go right there where that dumb pillow is.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
Some areas in here that need some fluffing and fluffing.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything.
Free skirt. You want it, Rogie? Get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Guys!
Get it, get it, get it.
That's not a toy!
That's not a toy.
Okay, that's enough. No,
Okay.
Drop it.
We also got this for the top. Yay!
Surprise when it's closed.
Yeah. And some wrapping paper. They're weird ones. It's Pez. It's pineapples. It's, excuse you. We put these guys up. Snowflakes. There they are.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making
Wow, I hope that wasn't out of focus this whole time.
And I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Also, I didn't need to put both of these there, but I did anyway. I don't know why. Because they look cute together, that's why. God, don't question me. Should I put this guy with him? the keeper of the wine? Is he the keeper of the wine?
He's the wine deer.
The wine deer? The wine deer?
The wine deer.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with.
I did a thing. Like, we're not even gonna have a fancy dinner, but like, I kind of wanted to do it, you know? Sometimes you go there, you know? What have you got?
A tree topper.
Is it
Part 2.
just the glitteriest thing that you've ever seen?
Yes, it's all over my hands and the couch.
Well,
and just everything.
but it actually works this time.
It does. Gaze upon its glory.
Wow! Yay! Cute! If only we had an extension cord.
If only. Well, actually, it probably can reach.
No,
It probably can.
it can't reach. Also, I don't know about this thingy. I don't think I like it. We'll
What
see what
thing?
happens. The
topper?
greenery over there.
Yeah, it's kind of garbage.
Put it up.
So what?
To unplug it and put it up. Standing here like an asshole holding it near the tree is not gonna do anything.
It's you?
And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the night.
Glorious.
I hate it. I hate it. It's time. We bought a bunch of ornaments. We bought a bunch of tree dangly ornament holder boys, and it's time to decorate our tree.
Until the sun
Let's go.
comes up, these are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh.
We did it! Our tree was a little too close to the back wall for us to, you know, decorate the back side of it. So they're all kind of, it's like a 3/4 decorated tree. But I'll show you some of the ornaments. Here we are. We have a bunch of little like small silvery ones that came in this pack with some snowflakes and different like silver like glitters and just metallic-y ones. All came in the same pack. We have these little like oil slick ones that are gem shaped. We have these big heavy boys. We have 3 different colors. I felt like we had more of them, but apparently we don't. So we have this teal one, we have this pretty purple one, and a pink boy. A bunch of like iridescent guys that I showed you in a haul, these sparkly guys that I showed you in a haul, these sparkly guys that I showed you in a haul. Oh, here's some more of the pack that we got there. A gingerbread house. We have this little gumball machine. And we got this little slice of cake. And then I showed you the dinos in a haul as well. Dino. And we also have this little seashell guy that we got in St. Thomas when we were on a cruise. My ornament this year was this cute little cactus guy. And Mike's ornament this year was this cute little bear guy. And then we also bought this cool like snowflake tree topper that projects up top. Yay! And we have too many presents already at the bottom and toys that our dogs were playing with. And one last thing, you guys don't have to be mad at Mike anymore because we got him. Oh, we gotta assemble him.
He's been decaffeinated.
Oh, I ordered him online, so we don't gotta be mad at Mike anymore. But he's just my Christmas dinosaur. Look at him. Look at him. He's trying to be a Christmas tree. You're not a Christmas tree, you're a dino. I love him, so we're gonna go put him outside also.
Hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Whew. All right, I'm gonna sleep. Got a big day of battling gyms ahead, so I gotta get my rest. I'm sorry. I apologize for the state of this video. I actually have a lot that I'm supposed to do tomorrow. I filmed this whole video on Ashoka Heda that might come out tomorrow. It might not, because turns out the audio is just gone from most of my footage. So I have to re-record all of that. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but I think that my look turned out pretty cool for that. My dogs are so tired.
Yes. Would you like me to go to sleep? Yes.
You want to sleep? Oh, he wants to go to bed too. Yes, I know. I know it. That is all. Are you playing Pokemon Sword and Shield? Who is your favorite Pokemon ever? Ever at all? I'm really into like the Alolan Vulpix. I'm really into the Galarian Ponyta. I love Farfetch'd because he's ridiculous. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, share it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.